We certainly have a lot of interesting things to talk about today, and I'm hoping to get a chance to interact with you and learn more about the technology, as there are many, many different disruptive forces that are pushing in and out and at higher education simultaneously.
You know, we have several groups challenging the political correctness of the university these days. So just wondering if you had some thoughts on that.
So we're really excited to have you all here. Given that we're here today together in a digital format, I urge each participant just to take a moment to silently acknowledge the people and the nations in your local area.
When I asked Michael, what would you want white supervisors to know or do? Michael's response was, get it together, damn it. And I thought that was perfect. Can you speak more about what we should be doing as white supervisors? Yeah, and so I think a big piece of it is what I, just talking about, of that continuing to educate yourself.
I'm excited to use this Shindig platform. I think we're going to have a very small yet mighty group. And so definitely maybe something different from past webinars you've been part of. I think interactiveness is really important.
I do work with Gen Xers and who supervise me, but then I also work with my colleagues are mostly millennials. So I have noticed the generation difference with the people, Gen Xers like me.
My name is Lena Crane, and in my full-time role, I'm Associate Dean of Students at Denison University. But the reason why I'm with you here today is because I'm the PI for what's called the National Study for the Student Affairs Job Search.
My question is kind of more about the timeline and specific functional areas.
Yes.
So it sounds like that timeline is that mostly geared towards like entry-level searches? Is that applicable to potentially some lower mid-level searches as well?
It is, and that's a really good question. We are in the process of generating a comparable mid-level timeline.